What's he about to do? He's about to back out. Hey dog, have a nice one. Thank you for the tacos. Oh, you're checking out? Can we go around the block? Dude, oh my god. Oh shit. Bro, okay, here, I'm gonna move this for you. Yo!
Corvette!
Yes! Bro, I'm in here with a real R34 right-hand drive. What? Okay.
Good luck, Corvette.
This is, I've never been in a right-hand drive vehicle. Oh, whatever. Screw it.
At your own risk.
I'll die. Hey! Guys, this is legendary. Alright, so this thing is built, right?
Yeah.
Oh god.
Stock concern was, but
That's beautiful, honestly.
appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Let's see if I can do a quick pull right here.
Suspension's pretty good.
Yeah?
Lowered. Or it feels lowered, but.
Yeah.
How does it feel driving it? Pretty tight?
Pretty okay.
What? Okay, you know what? This is gonna make some people jealous. Wowee. Yeah.
That's because I don't know if that's a Coupé.
Yeah, you never can be too careful. But it is legal. This is a legal car. Okay. I didn't know. I heard it was like one of 12 that were legal in the U.S. Even better. We need to legalize all of them, though.
Right?
You go to Cars and Coffee?
Sometimes, yeah.
I think I
Sometimes,
might have
but it
seen you
just-
there. Whoa! And the brakes pulling in. Oh yeah, this has to be the hardest pulling car. What in the world? Well, you have a blast, and you drive here from work and all that in your car. Do you daily this or?
Nah.
Okay, okay. I didn't know why you take it all the meets.
I would say semi-daily.
Semi-daily.
Nah, but I try to enjoy the car.
It's not a garage queen, but it's mint condition still. So. Wow.
Yeah, just because, man, you gotta enjoy the cars. You can't just have it, you know what I'm saying?
You get your heart racing for sure.
Oh, yeah, no, I think
Especially with no seat belt, but we won't talk about that. We won't talk about that. Wow, man. I know some people who'd want to race this thing.
Oh, yeah?
Like the the R35.
Oh, yeah.
He'd probably, I'd be close.
I'm about to get some more, I'm gonna get a cam, man, so we're gonna try to push 600 to the
Oh
wheels.
my god.
Right now it has 500, so.
Who does your tuning and all that? Money?
It's called Taze. Taze Automotive.
Taze Automotive.
Yeah, it's in.
Okay, I have to check them out.
Yeah, it's in. Where is it called? Alvarado.
All right.
From here, it's probably about an hour.
Okay. How many miles do you have? Just curious.
70,000.
70,000. Oh, it's in kilometers.
Yeah, so.
Oh
what is
my
that?
god.
Yeah, about half, so 75,000.
I think the turbo noise is the coolest. Huh? The turbo noise is just insane. I just realized the speed is in kilometers per hour also. I'm like, that didn't feel... we're going 160.
Yeah, we're going probably like
okay. 30 miles an hour, 30 miles an hour.
It feels good though. You like the pull?
Bro, you have no idea. I mean, I've never been in a turbo like this. Like, I can't wait for the cam. We got to check that out when that happens. Cammed R34. No, this is definitely something I'm gonna dream about. Honestly, may try and get one.
Cool,
you never know what happens in the future.
Yeah, man. Don't
working hard in college.
Don't let anybody tell you anything different, man. Shoot, you never know.
Bro, that would be. I feel like when the turbo flutters, my heart flutters.
Oh,
that's how it works.
Big time.
It's pretty. I mean. Five seats.
Oh, it's a 4-seater.
4-seater.
I'll probably hear from way over there.
Yep. That's how you know. If you're riding beside one of these and you hear it, you've done messed up. You got your vented carbon fiber hood right there. So cool to look down. We are back. That's like automatic windows.
Oh yeah, man.
What year is this exact R34?
98.
98, alright. And did you get it imported here or did you buy it here?
Bought it in Houston, man.
Bought it in Houston, alright. Alrighty. That's about the coolest thing I've done in my life.
Yeah? Did you like it?
Yes. There's my car right there, the red one.
Oh, the red one?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, right over there. Look at this. We're in the car, people are photoing. Bro. Got the gauges, got the steering wheel. Wait, let me focus in on this. Yeah, that is clean.
Oh yeah, my turbo timer.
Alright, well thank you so
man.
freaking much. Always gotta get that rev. I'm a changed man.
How was it, Corbin? I can ride. How was it?
I'm speechless. The flutter is, you're gonna see the flutter. There's no seatbelt, okay,
Oh, yeah,
starters.
Yeah, yeah. We die like real men.
But it handles, it's very tight suspension.
The carbon fiber make it faster.
Bro, when you feel that turbo kick in and then it shudders so hard.
We heard it.
I'm gonna rewatch this video right now, but okay, well, we actually did this. This is a thing. This is a thing, people. Bro, he's gonna get a cam too.
A dash cam?
No, he's gonna get a cam.
Oh,
like 600 horsepower. Big shout out. Right there, big shout out. Big shout out. Okay, so in case you're wondering, here is what is powering that R34 that just slams you back in the seat each time you should. Man. Yep, that's pretty dope.
How reliable is it?